Hey everyone, today I will be showing you how to upload the firmware into Crazyflie 2.0 flight controller. To do this, you will need to first put the flight controller into DFU mode. You need to follow a sequence of steps in order to do that. As mentioned here, I will be showing you how to do that. I have a big quad configuration, but the flight controller procedure is the same. So first unplug the flight controller, hold down the power button and then power it back. You'll see the blue light blinking, wait a few seconds and then you'll see it blink faster. So that's when you know the drone is in DFU mode. Next, we need to upload the bootloader. In order to do that, copy this repository into a folder. I've already made a folder called Crazy and I've cloned the repository. After you do that, go into the folder and then copy paste this code. Oops. Okay. Yeah. Once you do that, you will see the bootloader getting flashed. Yes. Now that you have a bootloader on your flight controller, you need to enter into a bootloader mode to upload the firmware. So you need to follow these steps. First, unplug your drone, hold the power button, and then try and plug in the power. And wait until 3 seconds and then let go of the power button and you will see both the blue LEDs blink alternatively. That means it is in the bootloader mode. Now that is done, now you can flash your firmware. Clone this repository into another directory and then go into that folder. As you can see, I've already done that and I'm going into that folder. Here, copy paste this line of code. You have to make the Crazyflie 2 a default configuration and then type make again. You will see that now it's being built and now it's done. Yes, so now this is where you upload your firmware, and in order to do that, you need to first plug in your Crazy Radio PA into your laptop. Okay, I'm plugging it in and now I'm gonna type make cload. So now this is going to flash the firmware into your flight controller wirelessly. This will take a few seconds. And you're done. So now your flight controller has the latest firmware uploaded. To check this, you can start the PC client. I'm hoping that you've already cloned the repository for that. Go into the main folder and then into the bin. I will post the link of the repository in case you already haven't. In the bin folder, type Python 3 CF client. This should start the GUI where you can see all the flight data and logs. Make sure you switch the COM port for the radio and then hit connect. Give it a few seconds. And now you'll see the flight data being displayed on the GUI. If you move your drone around, you can see that the gyro data is displayed here. In case it's not connecting, make sure to check the radio address and now you're all set. Thank you.